Real K-Talk.
안녕하세요. Hi everyone. Welcome to the very first episode of the Real K-Talk. I'm your host, Jinny Sam. But before we dive in, I want you guys to call me Jinny Sam. In Korea, Sam is a super friendly way to say 선생님, which means teacher. It's like a bestie version of a teacher. So just call me Jinny Sam. It's more natural and makes us feel even closer.
저는 한국어를 배우고 있어요. 저는 한국어를 배우고 있어요.
I'm learning Korean.
You want to speak Korean, right? You've downloaded all the apps. You've binged the tutorials. But the moment you try to actually say something, you just freeze. Sounds familiar.
한국어는 어려워요. 한국어는 어려워요.
Korean is hard.
Well, I've got a little secret for you. It's not your fault. Seriously, Korean is just built differently. It's like installing a completely new OS in your brain. If you've been struggling, it's not because you are not smart. It's just because you haven't met the real Korean yet.
진짜 한국어를 공부해 볼까요? 진짜 한국어를 공부해 볼까요?
Shall we study the real Korean?
For example, think about the phrase, "Hi, how are you? What's up?" in English. You'd probably translate that to 안녕, 오늘은 어때요, right? But here is the kicker. Real Koreans almost never say that to their friends. If you actually say that, your Korean friend might think you are reading from some dusty 1990s textbook. Instead, we obsessed with your stomach. We say, 밥 먹었어?
밥 먹었어?
Did you eat?
Or if we see you walking in, we just say, 왔어?
왔어?
Oh, you're here.
Like, oh, you are here. It's all about the vibe and the context, not just what's in the dictionary. Another thing, Koreans are the absolute masters of efficiency. We love cutting out words and just skipping the subject entirely. In the textbook, you will learn 나는 배가 고파요. I'm hungry. It's grammatically perfect. But it's a bit extra. Real Koreans, we just drop the I and say 배고파요. Done. It's the same with question. Instead of 당신은 학생이에요? Are you a student? We just look at you and go 학생이에요? Short, sweet, and straight to the point. Honestly, that's the ultimate shortcut to sounding like a local. If you hang out with me every day, I promise you will be able to land in Seoul tomorrow and start making friends instantly. And those K-dramas or K-pop lyrics you love, you will finally start hearing the words without needing to squint at the subtitles. Isn't that a dream? Then stay tuned. I'm Jinny Sam. I'm gonna be your Korean bestie on this journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow the Real K-Talk. Stay sweet, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next episode. 안녕!